Hello, I'm Seth Berkley, Chief Executive of the GAVI Alliance. Our mission is to save children's lives and protect people's health by increasing access to immunization in the world's poorest countries. It's about equity to ensure children in developing countries have access to the same life-saving vaccines as your and my children. GAVI, the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunizations, was launched at the World Economic Forum in 2000 to help transform global health through immunization. Over the last decade, GAVI has helped to ensure the vaccination of an additional 325 million children, saving more than 5 million lives. And with the continued help of our supporters, GAVI can be just as transformative in the next decade, saving even more lives and ensuring that children have access to the best vaccines wherever they are born. We've already begun the rollout of new vaccines against rotavirus and pneumococcal disease, the two largest killers of children in the developing world, and will soon be making the HPV vaccine against cervical cancer available to girls in developing countries. Vaccines are extremely cost-effective, giving kids a healthy start in life and supporting the economic and educational foundations of entire communities. We bring this ambitious global program together in innovative ways, with a focus on public-private partnerships and strategic alliances with important organizations such as UNICEF, the World Bank, the World Health Organization, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, vaccine manufacturers from both the North and South, civil society organizations, and of course, governments. This kind of innovative public-private alliance is very closely aligned with the themes and mission of the World Economic Forum, which is also about finding new, innovative, bold ways to advance human potential. In fact, one of the great things about being at Davos for the WEF is an opportunity to discuss these types of pioneering ideas with creative, visionary leaders. This is my 7th Davos meeting, and it is always an exciting event. This is part of what brings me to Davos this week. I will also be attending a breakfast meeting devoted to discussing a groundbreaking initiative in public-private partnerships called the GAVI Matching Fund. It is an example of what can be achieved when governments, corporations, foundations, the general public work together to solve difficult problems. Under the GAVI Matching Fund, the British government and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation have each agreed to match corporate donations to the GAVI Alliance. They are also matching gifts made by employees, customers, members, and even business partners of those corporations and foundations. By bringing these new partners into the GAVI family, we can not only diversify our funding base, but also use their skills to help drive our mission. In fact, British Secretary of State Andrew Mitchell will be at the breakfast meeting along with a couple of dozen CEOs and board members from major global corporations such as Anglo American and JP Morgan, each of which is a founding member of the GAVI Matching Fund. We will announce new members to the GAVI Matching Fund later this week, bringing us closer to ensuring that another 225 million children are immunized and an additional close to 4 million lives are saved over the next few years. You will find the announcement on our website at www.gavialliance.org. The GAVI Matching Fund is only a few months old, but it has already raised tens of millions of dollars for essential children's immunization. That is the kind of public-private partnership that works and that we can all be proud to support. Thank you for your interest in the GAVI Alliance, and we look forward to keeping you informed of new and important activities.